Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-medical visa to travel to India. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, India has overhauled its visa process, no doubt. E-visas they have extended to various categories, and today we'll see for medical category. So you get this like 60 days from the arrival into India, and you have three entries. And this is to seek medical treatment in India. Many people go there. So here you, if you're coming, you need to click here, apply for e-visa. Very first thing, you select your current nationality. So this is just sample, guys. You have to do as per your situation. Passport type, port of arrival, how you will enter the country. Do it as per your case, date of birth, whatever is applicable in your case. Just apply. Email IDs. Sample. It has to be matched. Three. Oh, perfect. Now, which one you want? So, for the purpose of this video, we are going for e-medical. Short-term medical treatment of self. Expected date of arrival when you are traveling. So, let's say you are going in on May 30. Whatever is applicable in your case. This captcha you have to enter, and to be honest with you guys, I'm very bad in entering captcha. With this, we're going to continue. What are the things you need? Recent passport photograph, passport photo, letter from hospital. Okay, on official letter from hospital means it should be on hospital's letterhead. Okay, now it goes to the next page. Okay. Name exactly as in passport. Be double check it twice before you submit, because a lot of people do minor mistakes in this thing and then struggle. Have you ever changed your name before? If yes, then check this box. If no, don't check. Gender, town, city of birth, and make sure it matches your passport. Country, region of birth, citizenship, national ID number. If not applicable, tiny name. So I'm just putting a name. If you have to that. Religion, whatever is applicable to you. Identification mark like mole or something that you have. Educational qualification, graduation, I selected. Did you acquire nationality by birth or by naturalization? I select by birth. Have you lived in the at least 2 years in the country where you are applying from? So I select yes, but if it is no, put no. Passport details, be very sure about, be very careful about this. Place official. Make sure you read your passport very carefully. In case you don't, you may be in a big trouble. Okay. Of like I have seen many people doing that. I mean, doing that mistake. So don't do. Do you have any other valid passport identity certificate? I select no, but if you have, do that. Click on save and continue. Address. I'm just putting sample. You have to provide either your phone number or mobile number, whichever you have. Sample guys. So permanent address same as present address, so I select. Father details, this is just sample guys. Previous nationality, if applicable, provide, otherwise don't. Place of birth, city, country, region of birth, mother details, a sample, nationality, present, previous nationality. I don't have to do that. Place of birth. After marital status, single, married, divorce. I select single, but if married or divorce you have, you need to provide that info. Whether parents, grandparents belong to parental, maternal, Pakistan nationals or belong to Pakistan held area, I select no. If you have provided this occupation, select provide information, whatever is applicable. This is just sample. Past occupation, I have left it, but if you have, definitely provide that information. Of course, I won't be submitting this application. Type of visa. Okay, e-medical visa places. I'm just saying New Delhi. I booked any room in hotel resort through a tour operator. I select no. Like you're directly going to a hospital, so maybe like that. Or if you are booked, put yes and then provide the information, whichever it is. Now, medical certificate number, name of the hospital, and these are mandatory fields, and it's gonna be verified. For example, let me see this. Invalid length, no record found. So they have the record, so be very careful. Okay, and that's why I cannot bypass this step. But any other sections I can do. Expected port of exit from India, expected. Have you visited India before? I select no. If you have done before, have you ever got a permission to extend your stay in India or visa application refused? I select no, but if you have, definitely. Country visited in last 10 years, do that. Have you visited any SAARC country? Expect your organ during last 3 years? I select no. References in, yeah, in India or in Canada. So if you're going for medical treatment, maybe you'll have an hospital contact that you can put, and you can have a Canadian contact in there. Save and continue. Next, you're gonna be paying the fee, document upload and all. So this is how it works, guys, and I hope you got an idea. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.